Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to create new ringtones on your iPhone device. How do you have customized ringtones on your iPhone device? By free, of course, not required to download or the purchase any tones. Quickly you can create according to your own desire or intentions. Yes, you can set as a ringtone also. Easy way. So right now just I created and of course here see I uploaded see. So just I created and of course I added there. So how easily you can have especially see first one this ringtone I had created. So easy way of course you can have. How do you? Let's dive with practical now. Yes, first and foremost, I have downloaded some, of course, MP3. So it's a video and it's a MP3. So just from video, I would like to show you how do you create now. So for it, if you would like to create your own way with good quality sound, then of course you will have to come to virtual DJ. Of course, there you can create easy way. And thereupon, of course, what we have to do, we'll have to especially tag this content here, and of course, after tagging, just go for delay a little bit, go for reverb a little bit, and come in a voice, affects the voice especially, so that it will give you good vocal sound there, and a little bit accelerate this one, so that reverb with echo will come or delay sound will come. A little bit gaining point we will have, and thereupon of course here it's free of course downloading. You can use the trial version, no problem at all. Below the description box if you want, then of course I will give you. Now here what we have to do, guys, we have to check it out from here. So we have to create this one, clue one. Here in a hot queue you will have to select here hot queue from this one's hot queue, and thereupon of course you will have to go for a start and click on here. So how quickly we will record, let's see. Just it's MP3. If it were a video or MP4, then you will have to select MP3, because of course we would like to have this one. So here I would like to name of this now. See guys, if I hit this one and if I record, then let's see, I have started to record. So as we see guys, now I have created this ringtones. Now we can close it. Yes, this, and here it is. Now as we see, this has been created on my desktop. So now we would like to import. So for importing, we will use a 3U tool. Here connect your data cable. I had already connected, so just we will select here ringtone options, and here we have options, that is especially import option highlighted. We'll go in the file 2, of course we have to come the desktop 2, of course we will have to import it, and it has the converted, and as we see Technology Welfare, there's a cam here. Now let's check it out, what is the sound quality and how it is. See guys, mind blowing. This is sound quality. What do you say? So on any iPhone device, of course, easy way you can have. Just you will have to come the setting bar to the sound and haptic, and of course there you can select according to your own choice, not required to download and purchase any iTunes. Go for any iTunes by your own desire, by same tricks by a free course. This is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, please have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. And of course, if you found this is beneficial or it has the benefited to you in any way, then please don't forget like and subscribe and share of this content, because this thing really will inspire me to make some more such as informative video for furthermore on these channels. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.